Hello and welcome to the African Joe channel. Please subscribe for more African news updates. If you are following African news, you will know that the African Union has an agenda called Vision 2063. It's a journey towards a better Africa by 2063. Although I will be in my 70s by then, it doesn't mean I can't take action now. So, here are the 10 main takeaways from the agenda. Whether you are from Africa or not, you can also be part of this vision. 1. Blueprint for Transformation. Agenda 2063 serves as Africa's blueprint and master plan for transforming the continent into a global powerhouse of the future. It outlines strategic goals and actions to achieve inclusive and sustainable development. 2. Pan-African Drive. The vision embodies the Pan-African drive for unity, self-determination, freedom, progress, and collective prosperity. It aims to position Africa as a dominant player on the global stage. 3. Shift in priorities. African leaders recognize the need to refocus from the struggle against apartheid and political independence. Instead, they prioritize inclusive social and economic development, regional integration, democratic governance, and peace and security. 4. 50-year trajectory. Envisioning a long-term 50-year development trajectory, Agenda 2063 adapts to ongoing structural changes, increased peace, economic growth, and global contexts. It emphasizes people-centered development, gender equality, and youth empowerment. 5. Unity and global power. Africa's increased unity makes it a global power, capable of rallying support around its common agenda. Agenda 2063 aims to position Africa as an integrated, prosperous, and peaceful continent. 6. Flagship programs. The vision identifies key flagship programs that can boost Africa's economic growth and rapid transformation. These programs address critical areas such as infrastructure development, health, education, and agribusiness. 7. Quantitative and qualitative outcomes. Agenda 2063's 10-year implementation plans ensure both quantitative and qualitative advancements for Africa's people. It strives for tangible results in various sectors. 8. Development aspirations. The vision aims to achieve 7 development aspirations, driving Africa toward the Africa we want. These aspirations encompass areas like industrialization, infrastructure, education, and gender equality. 9. Continental synergy. Agenda 2063 promotes continental synergy, recognizing that Africa's progress requires collaboration across borders. It emphasizes unity, cooperation, and shared goals. 10. Transformative journey. Over a 50-year period, Agenda 2063 represents Africa's transformative journey. It symbolizes hope, determination, and the collective effort to shape a brighter future for the continent. That's all for now. Please visit the African Union website for more. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.